All right, this is for anyone who is trying to install a printer with the IP address. I'm going to go into settings, and I have Windows 10, so it may look a little bit different for you. In settings, I'm going to choose printers. I'm going to add a printer. It's searching for known printers right now. So I have to let that finish. I'm going to tell it that the printer I want isn't listed. So as soon as that option comes up, you can click it. And then I'm going to choose add a printer using the TCP IP address or host name and click next. From here, I'm going to type in the IP address. And it's going to search for it. All right, once it's finished searching, I'm just going to click through, use the driver that's currently installed, and I'm going to name the printer because I'm at multiple locations. I'm going to make sure that I know exactly which printer I am sending my work to. Okay, and hit next. I'm going to not share this printer, and then just to verify that you have it networked correctly, you can go ahead and hit print a test page. And if you're in the same room as your printer in just a second, you should hear that test page printing. As long as everything worked correctly, just hit close and finish. I hope that helps.